Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your battery on your iPhone. So there are a lot of things that you can do for your iPhone to save battery. It works for every iPhone. I have an iPhone X. I can't really show you like what it looks like on an iPhone like 16, 15, I don't know. I'm not updated on the latest one, but to save battery, what I've been doing for like the past few years of my whole life, because my battery keeps draining. First, like as you can see, my battery's on 12%. You are going to put it at the low battery settings. So you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to battery and make sure it's on low power mode. Then you are going to go to the control center, and what I like to do is I like to set my brightness to the lowest one possible. Yes, it saves battery. I don't know why or how, but it works for me. Also, I am going to turn it into airplane mode. So you're just going to again select the control center here, and then you're going to turn on airplane mode. And also that is pretty much it really. Again, turn on airplane mode, and then turn your brightness down and make sure your phone is on low power mode. So yeah, that is it. Again, here you'll see your battery life. Also, make sure you enable battery percentage so that you can see as well. My god, my battery health is not the best. Do I even want to see? Oh, it's not that bad, but also you're going to select optimize battery charging. So when you charge okay, so when you charge, it says like to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So yeah, also don't be like me and charge while you're on the phone. I don't call when I'm charging, but like just don't play with your phone while it's charging, because it's not good, which I do a lot, and it drains your battery easily, so don't do that. So yeah, that are some tips for me. If you have any more tips, just comment on this comment section, of course, down below. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.